Hello there, welcome to Review Verge, where I will give you my unbiased opinion on Profilemate, including what it is, how it works, and, most importantly, whether it is worth your money or not. Finally, I'll share my thoughts on Profilemate. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss about the Profilemate. In a nutshell, Profilemate is a tool that helps you grow your Instagram page. This growth is about much more than just your followers. With this tool, you can scrape everything from an account's data, such as followers, following, post count, etc., in addition to its business information such as email, phone, company name, location, and so on. You can spy on your competitors ethically and legally, among other things. Finding the right customers can be a difficult task. However, Profilemate makes it much easier and more accurate. Most tools rely on educated guesses to identify potential customers, but Profilemate employs an algorithm to assist in your marketing efforts. Let's visit the website to learn more about the product. Here's a video showing how to get hundreds of emails, phone numbers, and details of any Instagram page followers daily, ethically for free. We'll see a demonstration of it in the later part of the video. You can use this to enter any Instagram page, scan through all of the followers, and then download and mass contact your new list of emails from your targeted market who want to be contacted by you. Now let's see why Instagram and Profilemate guarantees day one results. Profilemate is the world's first software that allows you to analyze, strategize, and then contact any Instagram profile's followers on a mass scale on day one and make money right away. And, as we all know, Instagram is the site on which users spend the most time and, more importantly, make the most purchases. Instagram currently has over 500 million daily users and is rapidly growing. Insta users trust brands more than any other social network, and they spend an hour per day on average. 65% of Instagram users visit a brand's website, 46% make a purchase, and 80% not only learn about new products but also decide whether or not to purchase here. And 80% of users not only learn about new products, but also make purchasing decisions. And, as a result of conversions, advertisers' ad spend on Instagram is 23% higher than on Facebook. So it makes sense why Instagram is the perfect place to market on Instagram, as users have been proven to convert. But many users, particularly beginners, face some key issues such as how to use Instagram and get traffic that converts into sales, how to go through and reach out to hundreds and thousands of users and, more importantly, monetize them, how to find and only contact the most engaged users of any page. And I don't have much money for ads, traffic, or even a product, service to sell. Profilemate addresses all of these issues and resolves them for us. It enables users to automatically gather information from Instagram profiles, such as public emails, phone numbers, engagement scores, and influencers. This allows users to create a list of highly targeted users who are ready to buy without spending money on advertisement. With this list, you can immediately reach out to them on a massive scale with their product, service, offer, and begin converting these leads into cash in the bank. Now let's see how Profilemate is going to have you making bank as early as today. Profilemate will search any fan-based profiles for you and collect 150 emails per day on average from users who want to be contacted for free, allowing you to contact them immediately. It analyzes thousands of profiles per hour and generates live reports on your target audience, as well as a list of those who are ready, willing, and excited to be contacted. It also allows you to gather and scan the most engaged users of any fan page. That is, users who comment and like on a page's posts, allowing you to immediately engage with these users for higher conversions. Okay, now let's see the demonstration how you can do all these with the help of Profilemate. I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to use it and the results it will get you, and how easy is it to do. So first, I want you to think of any page that would have a following on Instagram that you want to target. For example, I'm going to use Tony Robbins in this example in a minute, and Profilemate going to go through all of his followers one by one and start to then pull the key information that we want to get from hundreds of emails a day, mobile numbers, websites. You can see an example here of the type of thing you'll get. You can then take these emails, take the numbers, take the websites, take the usernames, and then go ahead and mass contact them. So, what I'm going to do, find users, I'm going to go for the followers' followings. There are other options here as well. We're going to view Tony Robbins' followers. I'm going to hit analyze, and that's how simple it is. You can see here we've already gone through 250, 300, 400 users, and it's going and building me this audience instantly. Now I want you to think for a second. I'm just going to download that. I want you to think for a second any page that would have an audience that you want to contact. So, if you're in affiliate marketing, for example, here's an affiliate marketing page. It has 64,000 followers. We scan this in Profilemate. We literally got hundreds of emails here that we can reach out to and contact, phone numbers, descriptions of what these people do, their names, so on and so forth. If you are in e-commerce, you might want to use Nike or any sporting page, right? We took this image here and we went through and got the most engaged users. And you can see all of the different followers and the engagement scores, public emails, and so on. We did it for cooking, this cooking page. Here you can see all of the different results that we got here instantly. And we even did it for an Instagram account that is about Paris, right over in France. And again, all of these insane results here. So simply let it run, download the file, and it's going to give us the usernames. And now I'm going to copy that here. Analyze users, paste that in there. Type Tony Robin. It's that, and then you'll be provided with all of the key areas and information we can build an audience on, from public emails, phone numbers, websites, engagement scores, what jobs they do, and so on and so forth. We're going to select it all. We're going to hit next. And then Profilemate is going to start to get all this information for you and provide it to you in a really nice little document like this here. And you can see instantly we've already gone through a bunch of users. We've got 2 emails so far. And it will continue on like this. Let me pause this for a second and I'll come back in about 60 seconds. Alright, we're back. And you can see here we've now got 85 emails and we've scanned through 849 users so far. So, you can imagine how many emails we will get when we get up to the 5 million mark there. And the beautiful thing about this is every email is given from the Instagram account with permission for you to contact them. Let's visit the website once more and see what else Profilemate has to offer. There are some launch week exclusive offers in which you will have access to all search features, including business category name, follower count, business account, following count, LinkedIn account, last 12 post locations. On top of this, you will get unlimited report downloads, 2,000 daily searches, influencer search module. It will find you influencers to promote your product, service for free, premium same-day support, business account search module. This tool will help you to only search and engage with business accounts. All of these tools are applicable to any niche, whether it is e-commerce, local marketing, or affiliate marketing. And they are available for a one-time fee of $47, which is a limited time offer. And you will receive all of these benefits that we discussed previously. Let's now discuss my perspective on Profilemate. If you are a business owner looking to increase sales or someone looking to gather information on what drives your customers, Instagram is a great tool to use. Based on our testing and reviews, we are pleased to report that Profilemate is a legitimate, useful tool that will assist you in automating your processes. The tool makes no pretense of being anything other than what it is. Profilemate will provide you with useful information that will assist you in properly promoting your product, whether you are a beginner or a professional. With Profilemate, you can obtain information about your followers in an ethical manner and contact people who are willing to be contacted by you. You will obtain necessary information about profiles in an ethical manner, putting you on the path to dominance in your chosen niche. Instagram is a good marketplace with millions of users, and tools like Profilemate are useful. Use it right away. I hope that my Profilemate review can assist you in making a more informed and timely decision. Click on the link in description or pinned comments to buy Profilemate without any problem or scam. Thanks for watching my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment or send me a message. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Take care.